You know the feeling. You drag yourself out of bed, completely sluggish all morning. But the second your head hits the pillow at night, your brain won't shut off, and you're suddenly wired. Over the next 6 minutes, we are going to build a personal energy audit, a framework to map out your internal rhythms and stabilize these cycles of exhaustion. You only need 3 things to execute this: a simple notebook, a pen, and the willingness to tune in to your body's physical signals. Lasting recovery requires looking past the clock to address the specific interplay of the internal cooling and heating systems that drive your biology. Every function in human biology is governed by a constant, rhythmic push and pull between 2 opposing forces. This is the Taiji symbol. While often viewed as a philosophical concept, it serves as a precise visual map for this dynamic biological equilibrium. The white half represents Yang energy. This fuels physical movement, generates metabolic heat, and powers your outward productivity. The black half represents Yin energy. These are the qualities of stillness, biological cooling, and the rest required for physical recovery. You see these same forces playing out in the extremes of nature. Summer is the peak of Yang, an outward, heat-driven explosion of activity. Winter is the depth of Yin, an inward, still retreat. True vitality requires both aggressive action and deep rest in equal, alternating measure. When these 2 forces break out of their natural rhythm, your body sends specific physical and emotional distress signals. Excess Yang shows up physically through unexpected fevers, a flushed face, physical restlessness, and quick irritability. Emotionally, this manifests as an inability to stop working, keeping you locked in constant agitation until you hit burnout. On the opposite extreme, excess Yin presents as chronic fatigue, cold hands and feet, water retention, and sluggish digestion. This overabundance of Yin often leads to passivity, causing you to isolate yourself or withdraw from active engagement with life. Recognizing these markers transforms vague discomfort into actionable data, allowing you to correct the deficit before it manifests as illness. Step 1 is to establish a daily tracking routine to monitor your energy fluctuations in real time. The energy flow check monitors your rhythm. Ideally, energy rises in the morning, peaks at noon, and gently declines at night. A curve that spikes late in the evening suggests a broken rhythm. Next is the body temp awareness check. Pause during your midday slump and assess your physical state. Do you run hot and flushed or cold and heavy? Record these observations in a Yin-Yang journal. On the left, list Yin activities, anything restful or inward. On the right, list Yang activities, anything outward or highly productive. Comparing these totals at the end of the week reveals where your schedule favors one side of the scale, highlighting the habits that lead to stagnation or fatigue. Externalizing your daily habits onto paper makes invisible lifestyle drains visible so they can be systematically addressed. Once you identify an imbalance, you can use targeted physiological habits to shift your state. To cool down excess Yang, lower your stimulation, hydrate, and consume cooling foods like cucumber and watermelon. Deploy the Yin breath. Slowly inhale through the nose to expand your abdomen, then gently release through pursed lips. This helps lower your heart rate. If your journal reveals excess Yin, that cold, sluggish state, increase physical movement, seek out direct sunlight, and eat warming foods like ginger or cinnamon. Then use the Yang breath. Take a quick inhale through the nose, followed by a forceful mouth exhale that pumps your belly to increase your energy. Using these breaths shifts your heart rate and oxygen flow, providing a physiological reset to the nervous system. You now possess a personal energy audit to diagnose your state and a custom harmonization routine to correct it. Remember that balance is not a rigid midpoint. It is a fluid, constant adjustment to the friction of daily life. Tonight, open your notebook. Log today's actions. If your body shows signs of heat or stagnation, apply the corresponding fix. Long-term vitality comes from moving in sync with your body's natural pulse, resting when the rhythm calls for it, and acting with the full power of your biological engine.